Welcome back, everyone, to the Morning Bradley Design Studios. I'm your host, Stephanie Reese, and we are back. I'm going to show you today the next Jesse James Beads Ambassador Kit for the month of August. But before I do that, I would like to show you what I made, because I keep forgetting in the previous videos. I wanted to show what I made previously from the June box or kit, and then also from July. So this one is what I made, this set here, the necklace and the bangle bracelet and the swordfish, hammerhead shark collection was included the African lilac bead strand. It had the Summer Fun Shark Week collection, which had all the blues and the greens and a little bit of purple in it. And then with all these fabulous charms in it. And then it also had some soft flex turquoise wire, which I did include in it. And I just wanted to show what I made. I love these pelicans. I made this sort of a spray that you would see that would come out of a whale or something when you see all the water come out of dolphins or whales. And it was just a fun kit, and I love these pelicans. And when we went on vacation this summer, we saw so many black pelicans. It was amazing. So just love that. And then these earrings that I made just made me feel like I caught a shark. So there's that collection. The next one I made, I'll put this off to the side up here, out of the way. So the next collection I made was the July Ambassador, put this way, kit. And it had the Save the Date pendant in it, as well as the ice cream bead mix in root beer float and the bead strand in Norse goddess Freya. And I just love mixing the whole collection to make a necklace and earrings and a bracelet. So this time I made an illusion necklace where I staggered all the beads, and when you wear it, it creates an illusion of the beads floating around your neck. I made some matching earrings with these wonderful caged beads and the little beads that was in the ice cream root beer float mix. And then I decided to wear the bracelet for the video because I just couldn't wait to try it. So there was that kit from the month of July, and when I showed it, I was asked to create a tutorial to show how I made the illusion necklace. And when I did that, I ended up making this set with pink and blue and white gold and silver wires from Softlex, and I used the Let's Be Mermaid collection in Coral Queen, which has a lot of beautiful pinks and coral colors with these beautiful copper beads, and I used a mix of copper and silver and gold. And I did actually end up making a pair of earrings to match. I did not yet get to finish the bracelet, but if you up here is where I have the beads laid out, and I would like to finish that bracelet to go with it if I have some time. So that's what I made the last 2 months for the kits that were sent to me. And this month, now let's get to that one. Excuse me. So this one for the month of August from Jesse James Beads is going to be the Color Trends, which I love, in Chinese Takeout, the Bead Strand in Dusk Sunset, 2 caged crystal beads in gold, 14 millimeters, and I got a bonus Carry A Bead Kit. So let's take a look. There's the Carry A Bead Kit Hiking Edition, and there's the caged crystals. the Chinese Takeout Color Trend Bead Mix. And this is a beautiful strand in Dusk Sunset. Look at those purples and the browns, so gorgeous. I can't, and these golds with it, just a beautiful strand. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then I just love these cage crystals. If I can get it open. I just love using these in my designs. They just sparkle with the gold and the crystal in the middle, and they move around, they float. That's awesome. And then let's move this out of the way so we can open up the Chinese Takeout package. And I just want to make sure I don't, let me cut it on this side so I don't get that tassel there and accidentally cut it. There we go. Oop, they're spilling out. Yay! So this is called Chinese Takeout in Color Trends Bead Mix. Such beautiful colors. I just love the red and the white and the turquoise together. Some turquoise tassels. There's some blue rondelles. Oh, and look at these. These look like almost like some sort of Japanese tencha beads in there, or some sort of ceramic printed bead. Some red tassels. Ooh, and look at these white beads. These look like they might be stone, maybe. They're carved stone. So fabulous. I think I know what I'm going to do with those. And let's see here. Oh, I love these deep red. Look at that red. Such a beautiful, almost candy apple red teardrops. And these look like they're carved bead. And more sparkle and turquoise. Gosh, I love that. And oh, we have some coral. Look at that. Some coral chips. So fabulous. And then red rondelles. This is beautiful. I love these colors together. And then sort of these look like a deeper, they have a finish on them, like a silver finish, a deeper turquoise. And then some more rectangle beads, some faceted orange beads. And then look, we have some bicones. And we have some rondelles here. Some sparkle rondelles, and then some bead caps. How fabulous is that? This is awesome. So we have a good collection here. And then let's open this Carry a Bead. This is Beads of Courage, Carry a Bead Hiking Edition. And I have 2 beads on a pin, and it says Team Beads of Courage. And this is, with your support, we help children and teens coping with serious illness. Stay encouraged during their treatment journey. You can be an amazing companion to their courage. Carry this unique handcrafted beads on a hike. Keep 1 bead for yourself and send 1 back to us, along with a caring note to encourage a child or teen coping with a serious illness. These kids are facing major surgeries, difficult procedures, and long hospital stays, sometimes away from their loved ones. A simple bead goes a long way to encourage and honor their fight for life. That is just beautiful. I am going to do that. I have been wanting to do that, so I am so excited that Jessie James Bead sent this in the kit. I'm going to do that. So fabulous. I have a little bit of a surprise too in this edition, and I splurged and I got a good number of the color trends here, and I just thought they were all beautiful and I couldn't decide. So this one is the Sage Bead Mix. Beautiful. This one is the Peacock Bead Mix, blues and purples and some greens. This is the Rose Gold Mix, and it's got some beautiful gold in there with pink tones and I just love that. And the Sweet Goddess Mix, Just love that. If you have been around for Jesse James Beads for a while, they had a goddess collection, and a lot of these colors were in one of the collections. Just beautiful. This is the Wanderlust bead mix. Oh, just love those ceramic beads, these beautiful flowers. And then this is the Rainforest bead mix. More greens, just beautiful. This one's got silver in it with the beautiful leaves. And then this one is Lavender Fields. Lots of good purple in there and lilac colors. I love these polymer clay beads. Oh gosh. And then this is the bead mix in the Color Trends Lily. So this has some deep blue, pink, purple, and fuchsia. Oh, this is one of my favorites. And then this is the Tokyo Nights bead mix, which has a lot of colors. It's almost like a rainbow mix of black and turquoise, yellow, orange, pink, beautiful. And then this is the Stone Age bead mix. It's got a lot of deep browns and some lighter brown tones. Those look like shell beads. Beautiful. I love that sparkle in there. Copper. And then this last one is the Unicorn Bliss bead mix, and it's got some whites and light blues and purple and light pink in there with some pearls. Oh, I just love all of them. So what I'm going to do as a little surprise, I'm going to open up the Tokyo Nights one in this video, and then because this is the one when I took my picture, everyone thought we should make something with this mix. So I'm going to open it, and then I will make something with it and take some pictures and show later. But this is a beautiful mix. I love all these deep colors, and it just reminds me of all the bright lights that you would see in the big city. Deep purples, and I love that black with it, the green, and some orange. Love this bright pink, and lots of gold and silver rondelles. So beautiful. Can't wait to use it, make something. Some more sparkle beads. I love it. So I will think of a design and I will make something with it, since this was the one that everybody picked. I'll take some pictures and I will show you what I made. So I look forward to talking to you again. We'll see you next month, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.